Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Prasanna Mehta, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, pursuing my BE in CSCCY Cybersecurity. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to C Programming. First, introduction. What is C? A language written by Brian Kerrigan and Dennis Ritchie. This was to be the language that Unix was written in to become the first portable language. Next, why we should use the C language? Mainly because it produces code that runs nearly as fast as code written in assembly language. Some example of the use of C might be: first, operating system; second, language compilers; third, assemblers; fourth, text editors; print spoolers; sixth, Newton drivers; seventh, modern programs; databases; language interpreters; and last, utilities. Next, we shall know the history of the C programming. In 1972, Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs writes C, and in 1978, the publication of the C programming language by Kerrigan and Ritchie caused a revolution in the computing world. In 1983, the American National Standards Institute (ANSI) established a committee to provide a modern, comprehensive definition of C. The resulting definition, the ANSI standard or ANSI-C, was completed late 1988. Next, why we should use C and how it is useful. First, C provides us with efficiency, high performance and high quality. Next, flexibility and power. Also, many high level and low level operation with stability and small size code, and provide functionally through rich set of function libraries, and also gateway for the other professional language like C, C++ and Java. Now let us see where C is used. First, system software compilers, editors and embedded systems. Second, data compressions, graphics and computability geometry, utility programs. Next, databases, operating systems, device drivers, system level routines. Fourth, there are zillions of lines of C legacy code. Lastly, also used in application programs. Next, let us see some history of C. Evolved from two previous languages, BCPL and B. BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, used for writing OS and compilers. B, used for creating early versions like Unix OS. Both were typeless languages. C language evolved from B, Dennis Ritchie and Bell Labs. Next, some basics of C environment. First, C systems consist of three parts. First, environment; second, language; and last, the C standard library. Also, development environment has 6 phases. First is edit, second, preprocessor; third, compile; fourth, link; fifth, load; and last, execute. Next, let us see the phases, how the program is saved and compiled in the C program. First phase, editor disk. Program edited in the editor are stored on the disk. Second phase, preprocessor. Program processes the code. Third phase, created objects code and stores on disk. Phase 4, links object code with libraries and stores on disk. Next, phase 5, puts program in the memory. Phase 6, takes each instruction and execute it, storing new data values. Let us take a simple C program as an example. First, in the first line, a hash includes studio.h. As a part of compilation, the C compiler runs a program called the C preprocessor. The preprocessor is able to add and remove code from your source file. In this case, the directive hash includes tells the preprocessor to include the code from the file studio.h. The file consists declarations for functions that the program needs to use. A declaration for the printf function is in the file. Line 2, void main. The statement declares the main function. A C program can contain many functions but must always have one main function. A function is a self-contained module of the code that can accomplish some task. Functions are examined later. The void specifies the return type of main. In this case, nothing is returned to the operating system. Third line, open bracket. The opening bracket denotes the start of the program. Fourth line, printf hello world from about /n. Printf is a function from a standard C library that is used to print strings to the standard output, normally your screen. The compiler links code from these standard libraries to the code you have written to produce the final executable. The /n is a special format modifier that tells the printf to put a line feed at the end of the line. If there were another printf in this program, its strings would print on the next line. Lastly, line 5, close bracket. This closing bracket denotes the end of the program. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share the video.